Hey guys, this is Zach with Next Tech News, and today I'm going to give you a final tour of this current setup. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm actually about to move again. And I know this is probably the second time that I'm doing a tour of my studio before I move it, but I'm moving it to the office I work at on a daily basis. So all this stuff will be with me daily, and I'll have a day relegated to just Next Tech videos, so that will be really cool. Plus, I'll have more space at the new studio. So I hope you guys enjoy this final tour of this studio. Oh, and in case you guys were wondering, the reason why the acoustic panels are framed is because it's actually hiding my electric box. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed your final look at this studio, and I look forward to showing you guys much more on the new studio and the progress I'm doing. I'm going to have a couple vlogs coming out showing me building it and everything, and then I'll have a video at the very end where it's all put together. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that, because I'm certainly looking forward to having a much bigger space than this 7 by 11 foot office. This is Zach with Next Tech News. See ya!